Hi, my name's Katharine. I came to see Dr. Pearl because I had back pain and some hip pain. It took a long time from a visit to my PCP to be able to go through a process of physical therapy, which I didn't get much relief. Finally was able to get some imaging, and they found that I had some bulging discs that were pressing on a nerve. Looking into what could be done, steroid injections were suggested, and I didn't like the idea of that. It can cause damage later on and would only get me temporary relief. I love to move. I'd like to get back to doing more of that. So I came to see Dr. Pearl. She was very receptive and did a very thorough examination and assessment, thought that I would benefit from bone marrow aspirate and platelet-rich plasma to my spine facet joints and my right hip. And we did that. And it's a process. It took a little while, initially to, get over the swelling and things that it does bring. But what it really did for me was it took away this awful feeling of just the muscles below the area where I had the disc pinching a nerve was just always tense, and it really took that away. It allowed me to participate in physical therapy so much more and target areas that my body had compensated for because of pain. And now I can address those underlying weaknesses. I'm so glad I came to see her.